First of all, let me show you the code, the HTML code and the CSS code which I used to make this wallpaper. It will be in the description. To use this wallpaper, you have to download this wallpaper. I will put the download link in the description. When you download it, it will be downloaded as a rare file. You extract it and the folder will be like this. We will use this file project.json. Open your wallpaper engine and in the left down corner click open from file, then find your folder which you have downloaded. Here it is. Then click in project.json and here it is, our neon clock. As you see, here is the seconds and here is the minutes and here is the hours. It will change. For example, this is all is green, but after some time it will be change the color. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumb up. See you on another video.